Welcome back, guys. Today's gonna be fun because I'm gonna update you on everything I've been doing in this shop for the past 2 months and what's to come in 2023. I wanna share with you some new tools that I've introduced, some new videos that I'm working on, some new shop projects that I'm working on, and of course some YouTube video changes that's gonna happen in 2023. A lot of you guys know I have a tool company called Fireball Tool. One of the reasons why I haven't had a lot of videos out is because last month I went to FabTech. FabTech is cool because it's a whole bunch of tools for welders, fabricators, and metalworking. What's special about FabTech for me is 5 years ago when I first started, I started off in a little tiny booth way in the back, just me and my wife selling tools out of it. But this year was really special because Fireball is growing and now we are in the middle of the floor, which is where all the traffic's at. And what was awesome is I got to meet a lot of you guys because you guys found me. I'm not stuck in the back anymore. In case you weren't able to attend the show, I want to show you the new tools that I brought there. The first one I introduced was the new Fireball combination square. It's the largest combination square on the market. I'm not going to go into all the details on how it works, but I can give you all the specs on the website. I'm expanding the welding square line. I have much smaller squares now, and I've also introduced the new 3-axis square. This square allows you to hold material in 3 dimensions, allowing you to make that perfect 3D weld every time. The other new square is what I call the Mutant Square, and it's the best of both worlds, the Mega and the Monster Square combined. The beauty of the Mutant Square is it has the most weld accessibility of any square that I have in the product lineup. Perfect if you need extra room for welding. Go check those out at the Fireball website also. Another neat thing at the Fireball booth is that we had a fun game that we're playing with the Fireball Hardtail Vise. Now this game is pretty interesting because instead of going for strength, we are going for precision. We had this really cool wheel that you spin. From there, you're trying to match that force in the vise jaws. What I found out is a lot of you guys overshoot, which is kind of interesting. I think a lot of you guys don't expect the number to be as high as what this vise can generate. Thousands of you guys spun the vise with a lot of great feedback. Another quick update, if you have a pre-order for this vise, we are shipping them out as quickly as possible. We will be contacting you with an email or phone call when your vise is ready to go. We're currently shipping about 100 a month and we're trying to increase that. We haven't forgot about you. It's just what happens when you have a new product and a new system, but we haven't forgotten about any one of your orders. So that was FabTech. Let's do a quick update on what are we doing for the YouTube channel. So a lot of you guys ask me, how strong is this vise? Well, we're gonna find out in the next video. We're gonna be breaking this thing and putting it to the extreme torture test. I'm also currently working on my office space. I'm gonna have a full video on that soon. I'm gonna be revisiting the propeller bicycle. I have some changes I wanna do to it and see if we can make it go faster. That project is gonna continue to grow throughout the year, so stay tuned for that. I really enjoy making these videos for you guys on the YouTube channel, but I'm gonna be making some changes. So when I started my company 5 years ago, I had no marketing team. I had no way to showcase my tools. So I started putting videos on YouTube showing how my tools work and showing projects with my tools in them. I am not a salesman. I don't like to sell tools to anybody. I always thought that if my tools were good, they'd be able to sell themselves. But people just need to know they existed. But as the videos started getting more popular, people started seeing me as a YouTuber and less as a tool designer inventor. I want to make videos that really help educate and entertain you guys. So unfortunately, most of my audience skips right over the middle of my videos and goes directly to the end. This is kind of unfortunate, because the team and I spend weeks, if not months, making these videos just to get passed over and seeing the final product at the end. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be putting long form, editor's cut bonus footage on the website. That way you guys can go watch it first. This way I can really show you guys some more tool design, some more behind the scenes of the production, and really tailor the video how I like it. And of course, I'm able to offer you guys 0 ads. That's also a bonus. It's you guys, the customers, that are really supporting this project. Everybody that supports Fireball and buys my tools, thank you. You guys are allowing me to make tools to make your life easier, and I love that, and I appreciate that. For those of you who don't care about Fireball Tool, I'll be still periodically posting YouTube videos, but they will be shorter, conventional videos that you're used to seeing. That way, it really appeals to the algorithm. I want to reward the people who support me and what I'm doing at Fireball. So right now, as you're watching this, I have a video ready for you at the Fireball Tool website. Go watch it commercial free, and I'll see you guys there.